It's a lovely script, and that's why we wanted to be a part of this film. Number one, and you know about the producers, very good and very supportive producers. Coming to the director, Aditya, I worked with him before, and very nice guy, very sweet guy, you can see that. So in all, the journey was beautiful, and I hope that the destination is as good.
Really, ये बहुत मुश्किल था. When I read the script, the first reaction was, oh my god, what a script, but I can't do it. I think I did the film for 3 reasons. One was the script, then of course, the gentleman sitting left next to me. I always wanted to work with him. Everyone wants to work with him. I wanted to work with him. And then of course, Eros. I didn't want to leave the opportunity of working with Eros and Next Gen. I hope you enjoyed the film. 2013 is going to open with our film.
I'm extremely thrilled I got this film because the name is associated with it. So it was a great way to start off here with Eros and with Adi and with Rajiv and Mr. Raval. So, and I had a strong character and had more to do than... I was extremely thrilled that I got that as a follow-up. Between the two of them, I was constantly like pulling my hair out, and Vicky, of course, extremely supportive. So I'm really grateful that I got this as a start.
This year had been great for our industry. Eros had a successful releases this year. Next year also looks very promising, and starting this next year with a very high concept film, which is Table 21, and great performances by Paresh ji, Rajiv, Tina, and all the best to team of Table 21 and to Adi and to Vicky.
I guess the first time I got the script of Table 21 was Mr. Vicky Rajani actually emailed it to me. It's actually my first thriller that I've ever shot. So when I read the script, I remember I was actually holidaying in Goa. The next flight back to meet him, and I said I can't let go of this movie and I really want to direct this movie.
मैं समझता हूँ पूरी जिंदगी गैम्बल है. 21 करोड़ जब मिल रहा है तो क्यों ना करें? वो आप फिल्म देखेंगे तब आपको पता चलेगा कितना झूठ बोल के भी भाग गए हैं.
Well, I'm on vacation in this one, and I'm coming out of the sea. So it's not really exposing, it's just having a good time on a holiday with my husband.
कुर्सी पे बैठना ही बहुत मुश्किल था. मैं जब वो शो होस्ट करता रहा तब हमेशा कहता था कि जो मेरे सामने बैठा है वो मैं जानता हूँ आसान नहीं है उस पर बैठना. मेरा फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस था उस कुर्सी पर बैठना, एंड हैट्स ऑफ टू दोस पीपल हु केम ऑन माय शो एंड sat in front of me and faced those questions. हमारे लिए तो बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल था क्योंकि मैं तो बहुत काइंड होस्ट था.
इसकी पेस, इसका सब्जेक्ट, इसकी ट्रीटमेंट, इसकी कहानी वेरी वेरी अरेस्टिंग. क्योंकि मैं इसलिए कहता हूँ कि जब मैं स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ रहा था तो मैंने 1 go में वो स्क्रिप्ट कंप्लीट की. उसके ऊपर से मैं ये अंदाजा लगा सकता हूँ, हिसाब लगा सकता हूँ कि लोगों को भी ऐसा ही लगेगा, बिल्कुल आप हिलेंगे नहीं, उस किस्म की फिल्म है ये.
यूजुअली मैं काफ़ी आसानी से अपनी बात कन्वे कर सकता हूँ, स्पेशली ऑन द सेट्स, एंड परेश जी बीइंग इतने एक्सपीरियंस, ही इज वर्क विद आई गेस ऑल काइंड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स मोर देन मी. उनकी जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, to understand a director's point of view, that helps me a lot.